Problem 2, set 5. It was commonly known that if some movement was not made, some concession or expression of goodwill not be forthcoming by either the district or the teachers' union, that the differences would be blank and become so polarizing as to render them irreconcilable. Now we need to choose a word that best fits into the text. Let's dissect the text a little bit first. We know that if some sort of gesture was not made by either of the parties, the differences would eventually overcome them, and it would basically mean that there was no room for negotiating or something like that, because their differences would become so irreconcilable. Irreconcilable. What does it mean? Like they cannot reconcile, they cannot go back to how it was before, and that's why there needs to be a forthcoming gesture by either of the parties. Let's look at the correct answer and we'll discuss this further. The correct answer is option B. In dissecting the sentence, we understand that the difference between the two parties would get worse. We discussed this. We need simply to select the best word to express getting worse. Pretty straightforward. Option B, exasperated, means to increase the severity or bitterness. Aggravate, which is exactly the condition reflected in the scenario presented. This answer, thus, is most fitting.